Hey everyone, I'm always on the hunt for new lighting, new gear that could help improve the quality of my YouTube videos or enhance my creativity during my photo shoots. So what I got with me today, thanks to Mike's camera, is the Savage Edge Light Pro Bicolor Light Kit, and I'm gonna just do an unboxing today, and in the next video I'll actually do a review and show you what kind of images I was able to produce using this light kit. All right, let's go. Okay, so we've got some padding. Let's put that behind it. Tons of packaging material. I pray I can repackage all this as nicely as it came. But I can tell here, this is super heavy duty. This is nice, I like that. So everything is ready to go, so that's pretty cool. So obviously we got power cord. Here is one of the panels. Right here. Oh, this thing is at least 12 by, sheesh, it's pretty big. Here's my face, so you can see. Yeah, it's pretty nice, I like it. And it's very good construction. It's, I believe it's metal and plastic, but yeah, solid construction. So let's put that here. And then we got the other panel right here. Look at this. They spared no expense when it came to packaging. There we go. There are your two light panels right there. Let's just put all this plastic somewhere else. Cords there. Here we go. Oh, it comes with 4 Sony FP750 video camera video batteries. So each light takes 2. So there's the 4, it's included. So that's pretty cool. Let's just put those right there. Awesome. Boom, 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 boom. And then also what we got here is, oh, well, obviously, you got batteries. Here are 4 wall chargers for those batteries. Just put that up right there. Very nice. Boom, boom, boom. All right. One of my favorite features of this kit is the fact that it comes with a remote, so you can power each unit separately without having to go and touch the unit itself, the LED panel itself. So you can just do it remotely, so that's cool. And also you can create channels so that in groupings, like you would with a Pocket Wizard, you can do so with this here. So if you had 4 or 6 or 8 or 10 panels set up for your shoot, you can individually control groups or individually the wall the LED panel. So that's pretty cool. All right, we got some spec stuff. We can put that right there. More outlet, power cord stuff. Where we got, yep, power adapter right there. All right, let's see what's underneath all this. And this thing really comes ready to go. All you really need to do is get the kit and you have everything you need so far. Here are some more cords. There we go, there we go. Hopefully you can see all that. Let me just pull it back here. Maybe it'll make it easier for you. I want to open it up as nicely as possible because I have to repackage this. So, oh boy, this might be a little tough on this one. This might be a little tough because they packaged it real nice. All right, I'll deal with that. That's the remote. Deal with that later. Okay, so underneath, look what we've got here. Is the 2 7-foot drop stand light stands. And this is patented by Savage, and what I'm told, what I've seen on videos too, is that the legs extend and retract automatically. So all you need to do is pick it up, place it, and it's ready to go. So let's open up one right now, just to show you what it's, to see if all the rumors are true. Okay. Let's just toss that over there, because that's where it could fit. Open this up. Ooh, I'm sorry, Mike's Camera. I swear I'm gonna try to repackage this as nice as I can, so you put it back on the floor. Ooh, nice. I like the construction already. This is pretty sturdy compared to the other mic stands that light stands that I've gotten at Mike's Camera. This is actually really nice. So, oh, I like that. Oh yeah, that's pretty awesome. This is nice. This is definitely heavy duty. Good construction. It's metal. Yeah, very good. Yeah, even the knobs, very, very well construction, metal. I like it. Very cool. So this will go 7 foot. Oh, this is nice. So not only for the LED panels, I could see myself just using this on location with my studio strobes, just because of the easy portability of it. I mean, I could just get up, put it down, and I'm ready to shoot. So yeah, this is sweet. This is pretty awesome. So let's just put that. Here we go. And let's just put that right here. And then here's the other one. Take it out of its tons of plastic, so you're getting pristine condition gear right out of the box. No excuses. And again, just drag and drop. So I set it for a particular way that I like it, tighten it, and they'll go back every time. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Drop it, boom. There you go. Love it. And that is everything that's in the kit. So as you can see, not only do you get your 2 light panels, you got your 2 power cords, okay, your 4 batteries so that it can run right here. Put the batteries right there. You have an LCD panel display that basically will show you your power, your color temperature, because it's adjustable color temperature. And it shows what grouping and channel settings. So that's real cool right on the back, and it's pretty big. It's I'd have to say it's about 1.5 by 3 inches. Once the batteries are in, if you're at full power, it's said to be able to last up to 75 minutes. So most of the time I never shoot at full power, but it's definitely enough time for me to get a few images that I want, or rather a couple outfits. Really, 75 minutes is a pretty long time. So that's what you get there. Here are your chargers for that, the remote, and everything else. So it all fits in here. When you're done, easily just pick it up and just roll away with the bag. And there you have it, the unboxing of the Savage Edge Pro Light Kit. And in my next video, I'll do a photo shoot and show you what I came up with using this light kit. I want to give a big shout out again to Mike's Camera for allowing me to borrow, unbox, and tear apart this kit to see what it's about and share it with all of you. If you have any questions about this kit and wondering about the details of it, I'll be posting a link down below for you to check it out for yourself. If you like this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.